Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about the messy fight between the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives and the Governor of Imo State over the constitution of the board of the Southeast Development Commission, which made the president to reverse himself in 24 hours. This is a fight between two big egos. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Welcome. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button. Hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the Deputy Speaker, Benjamin Kalu, and Governor Hope Uzodimma are two big egos from Southeast. Remember Honourable Benjamin Kalu, when he said that in 2027, the governor of Abia State, who is a Labour Party governor, there will be no space for him there. That 2027 APC will take over Abia State, and that he had even told the governor himself that the governor knows what to do. In other words, threatening the governor that if he wants to remain in that seat, he has to defect to the APC. He said he cannot imagine himself number 6 citizen in Nigeria, and his governor will be from another political party. So you can see that's a big ego. Look at Hope Uzodimma. Hope Uzodimma emerged on the scene as APC governor, courtesy of the Supreme Court. But ever since, he has tried to show that he is a big ego. Remember, there was a time that Honourable was made the chairman of the board of NNPC by President Muhammadu Buhari. Just as they were about to be sworn in, Buhari changed his mind. Honourable was shoved aside as the chairman of the board. It was alleged that change, that last minute change, was made by the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodimma, because Honourable, it was alleged, was not his preferred candidate. He was able to influence the villa to change the course of history. And in Imo State right now, the fear of Uzodimma is the beginning of wisdom, because he has access in Abuja. Nobody gets anything without his approval. So these are two big egos. Now, these two big egos are now in a big clash over the composition of the board of the Southeast Development Commission. Now, this supremacy battle is going on because the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, on Friday, through a statement by his special advisor on information and strategy, Bayo Onanoga, unveiled the list of nominees for the board of the Southeast Development Commission. Emeka Atuma was appointed as chairman. Emeka Atuma was appointed as chairman. But surprisingly, a subsequent statement released on Saturday announced a reverse list replacing Atuma, who is a candidate of Governor Uzodimma, with Emeka Nwor, who is the candidate of Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu. Now, Atuma's name and other names from the Southeast were submitted to the presidency and endorsed by Uzodimma-led Southeast APC leadership. But of course, when you hear Uzodimma-led Southeast APC leadership, you can bet that it's Uzodimma that will determine most of the people that will be in that list. Other members, other Southeast APC leadership will just be yes members. Now, in defiance of Uzodimma's position, it was gathered that the Deputy Speaker, Benjamin Kalu, swiftly lobbied the presidency to reshuffle the list and include their preferred candidates. Now, a source told the Sun newspaper that there is a supremacy battle going on about the appointment. The initial list containing Emeka Atuma's name was submitted by Governor Hope Uzodimma and the APC Southeast leadership. However, for unknown reasons, Benjamin Kalu influenced changes to the list to include his own candidates, a source told the Sun newspaper. Now, the reverse list reportedly reflects that 4 candidates were single-handedly nominated by the Deputy Speaker, while other stakeholders from the Southeast were exempted. The nominees of the Deputy Speaker include Barrister Emeka Nwor, Stanley Ohajuruka, Clifford Ogbede, and Toby Okechukwu, the Chief of Staff to the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, the Sun land. Now, first of all, let us look at President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's history of untidiness in appointment. Now, this is not the Southeast Development Commission board, is not the only shaky list that came out from the presidency. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu had earlier announced Yazid Shehu Umar Fulani as the Executive Secretary of the Solid Minerals Development Fund. And people have started congratulating Dan Fulani. Before you know it, the presidency issued another statement saying that Hajia Fatima Omaro Shinkafi will continue in office. The person that has been holding the position will continue in office. After almost 2 years in power, it appears that the Tinubu administration has not yet learned how to tidy up its appointments. But that is by the way. Now, let me give to you why this is interesting. You know, Hope Uzodimma is one of the Southeast governors that had access to the presidency right from Buhari time. If you recall, Buhari visited Imo State more than any other state in Nigeria, for whatever reason. Another one was Governor Umahi. Buhari also visited Ebonyi more than any other state, even in the north. Now, Uzodimma present himself as somebody who is the leader in Southeast, and being the only APC governor at a time, he looked at himself as the #1 person that have a final say on the future of APC in the Southeast. So it is not surprising that he had expected that in Southeast Development Commission, that he will be the person that will bring the chairman. He will determine who becomes the chairman. Forget about the idea that other people are members of the APC Southeast leadership. He is the man that calls the shots. And if he doesn't clear, if Uzodimma did not clear, you can't be nominated as chairman of a very sensitive and important commission like the Southeast Development Commission. So he has access, but it appears that he met his match in Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu. You know why? This is because, unlike under Buhari, the Deputy Speaker has a friend in the villa too, who can take care of his own interest. So the Deputy Speaker has access. I can tell you for free, the former Speaker of the House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila, was the reason why Benjamin Kalu is the Deputy Speaker of the Federal Republic of Nigeria today, for which he is very proud of it, that he is number 6 citizen in the country. If not for Gbajabiamila, Benjamin Kalu will not be Deputy Speaker. Of course, it was done to bring a semblance of balance in the hierarchy of power. But don't forget that Southeast voted overwhelmingly for Labour Party. And the APC leaders, including Uzodimma and even Benjamin Kalu, couldn't do anything for APC. They couldn't even get up to 25% of the votes for Tinubu, okay, in the presidency. In fact, it was a miracle that Benjamin Kalu, he survived the Labour Party tsunami, because he was supposed to be swept away like so many, but he was able to survive. Himself and others of Kalu, I don't know how they did it, but they were able to survive. But in his own case, he was able to survive. I mean, Benjamin Kalu, he was able to survive. So when the Tinubu government came to place, they were looking at, okay, what do we do about this South? Even though they didn't vote for us, what do we do? They said, okay, let's find something for them. And that was how Benjamin Kalu came into the picture. And it was believed that it was Gbajabiamila who worked very closely with Benjamin when Benjamin Kalu was during the last House of Reps, when Gbajabiamila was Speaker. They worked closely together, and it's like Gbajabiamila took liking on the brilliance of Benjamin Kalu, and Benjamin Kalu was the spokesperson of the House of Reps at that time when Gbajabiamila was the Speaker. So they became very close. So who better do you compensate if you want to give anything to the Southeast to be Deputy Speaker? Of course, Gbajabiamila made a way out for his friend, Benjamin Kalu. So that was why it could be easy for Benjamin Kalu to be able to also make an impact in the composition of Southeast Development Commission by also saying, okay, this man is running a one-man show, the governor, so let me submit my own list and push it. And of course, with somebody like the Chief of Staff being your friend, he can be able to push your matter. That's what I believe happened. And they look at his list, and it was announced. Now, let us also not forget that Benjamin Kalu, no matter what you can say about him, he deserves his flowers. He deserves his flowers because it was Benjamin Kalu that was instrumental to the Southeast Development Commission. He was the person that sponsored, he was a co-sponsor. In fact, he was the sponsor before he now brought other people around from Southeast. He was the sponsor of the Southeast Development Commission. He was the person that had been pushing for it. He was the person that fought for it. He was the one that did the legwork. He was the one that used his friend Wajabi Amela to lobby Tinubu to sign that bill into law. So if you are going to have a board, at least Benjamin should be considered to nominate the chairman. Perhaps he was not allowed to nominate or make input. He said, okay, let them decide whatever they want. And he now used his own connection at the presidency to ensure that his candidates were given positions in the board of the Southeast Development Commission. Because I can tell you for free, Benjamin Kalu has done a lot to see to the materialization of the Southeast Development Commission. And if there is anybody who deserves to have a nominee as chairman of that board, it should be Benjamin Kalu. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position on the Mercy fight, because this fight may not have ended. Because, as I told you, Governor Uzodimma is also a big ego. He can still find a way to see how they can use lawmakers to stop the confirmation of these people. Or even the presidency can change his mind again. You never can tell with the APC administration. But all in all, Benjamin Kalu has shown that the quest for the governor of Imo State to be the only cock that crow in Southeast APC is being challenged right now. Whatever is your position on the Mercy fight or the president changing his mind in 24 hours about the list of the board members of the Southeast Development Commission, whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.